Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the CapCut export error. So if you want to export your project but then you are facing some error or you cannot export your videos, you can just follow the steps right here to solve it. So first, what you need to do is just go to the menu at the top and go to the CapCut settings, tap on settings in here, and then click on this performance options, and at the very top you'll see the encode and decode. So what you need to do is just uncheck the speed up hardware encoding, this one's right here, and then you can tap on save. So after this, you can try to export your video again, or you can also try to reboot the CapCut first and then open it again, then open your projects and then export your projects after that. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe also.